This is why you need to thank Hubert Cecil Booth every time you vacuum. Back in 1901, an English engineer named Hubert Cecil Booth changed cleaning forever. He saw an American machine at a show in London, but it blew dust away instead of sucking it up. Booth thought, hey, why not suck it up instead? So, he tested his idea by placing a handkerchief on a chair, putting his mouth on it and inhaling. Gross, right? But it worked. He realized vacuuming could be the future of cleaning. Booth's first vacuum was a giant beast, run by petrol engines and horse-drawn. No joke. It was so big it stayed outside while hoses snaked through windows. Despite its size, it was a hit. And soon everyone wanted their own. His invention paved the way for the modern vacuums we use today. So next time you clean up a mess, give a nod to Hubert Cecil Booth, the man who made it all suck, in a good way.